Quickly open your cameras, everyone. Everyone, Ansh Patel, Karanveer, Shelly, Praveen.
Good morning.
Open your cameras. Who is this Milky Agarwal? Sure, it will be Riddhi Agarwal, definitely. Open your cameras quickly. Open up your cameras, quick. Quickly open your cameras. Jaldi se. Ansh Patel, Aler, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, in participants, it showed that my camera is off, but it is on.
Okay. Aler, switch your camera on. Aler, आज तो मैं पक्का remove करूंगी तुम्हें. मैं बता रही हूँ, I will remove you today. Okay. Best. Who was coming daily? Manya, what we have done last time?
Reasoning.
रीजनिंग तो करी थी, उसके बाद क्या किया बेटा? मैथ्स में क्या किया है? What we have done in maths? Huh? What we have done in maths?
I was not there in the class.
You were there, Manya.
Ma'am, we do.
हाँ.
Ma'am, we do exercise 1.3.
Shelly, beta, आप please don't speak in between. Don't feel bad because your mic is not proper. So please don't speak. Okay? मुझे ठीक से आवाज नहीं आती आपकी. हाँ. Who's there? अंश पटेल. अंश पटेल किधर है?
Yes, ma'am.
What we have done last time, Ansh?
Ma'am, I was not in class from 2 days.
Why? Why so many of you are not in class since so many days? Huh?
Ma'am, I know what we have done yesterday.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute.
exercise 1.4.
Okay, fourth C have fourth A has done. Write the numeral. Write the numerals किया था आपने, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Have you completed question C? Write the numerals.
Yes, ma'am.
You have completed. Okay.
Yes,
अब write the
ma'am.
numerals के बाद. Okay. Wait a minute. Question C. Write the numerals you have done. Now you have to start a new exercise. Write the place values. ठीक है? Now everyone open your this notebooks, maths fair notebook. Open your maths fair notebook, everyone, quickly. Open your maths fair notebook. New page.
Ma'am, opened.
Maths fair notebook. New page. Okay. Write exercise 1.4 at the top. Write exercise 1.4 at the top. Quick. And please keep your cameras on. Unsha, Anshraj, Aradhya, Aler को तो मैं अभी remove करूंगी because he never switches on his camera. Okay, find the place value of encircled digits. Write question A. If I write question A, you also have to write question A only. Okay. Find the place value of encircled digits. What do you mean by encircled? What do you mean by encircled? Huh? What do you mean by encircled? Do you know that? Nobody knows. What do you mean by encircled? Huh?
Ma'am, circled. Ma'am, digit
Yes.
which is circled.
Yes, very good. Digits which are in circle. Very nice. This is good. Exercise 1.4 का question A. Okay. Okay, so what you have to do in this question, see here, whatever the question will be there. See, suppose any question if I've given to you, what you have to do, first draw the middle line. First draw the middle line, not whole page, a few lines you have to draw with a scale. Okay, suppose if I've given you the first question as, this is the first question. Let me see. 9, 8, comma 4, 6, 5. Suppose here I circled 4. So the value of 4 is, you can write 4 hundreds also, place value of 4 hundreds also, as well as you can write 400. Any one of the things you can write. Okay, whatever you feel like.
Copy.
What is written at the top? What is written at the top? Oh, sorry, Ansh. That's so sorry. That's because of that you were not able to attend your classes. Okay, Ansh. Maths fair notebook, it's written at the top. That means you have to do it in maths fair notebook. But I'm going to share one screen with you all, the same question. You have to do it in the same way. Yes, here is the screen. Start doing it quickly.
Ma'am, we have to find the digits of uncircle.
Yes, the one which is in circle, you have to find their place value. जैसे 4 की hundreds है तो 4 hundreds. अब 1 की जो होगी तो 1 की लिखो साथ में.
Ma'am, there is written uncircle.
And अभी बताया था बेटा मैंने. Abhi somebody told the correct answer. Encircled means inside the circle. Encircled means जो circle के अंदर जो number है उसका. Abhi somebody told. I think Ansh told us ना. What is the value of main name? What do you call encircled as? Be quick, everyone. This is very easy one.
Ma'am,
What, beta?
ma'am, I have done.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
send
have
it.
done. Ma'am, what is written in fifth question?
Fifth one, it is 165178. 65178 और 7 के ऊपर circle है.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, send it. Okay, I'm checking your answer. Wait a second. Your class is 4th A, right? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ये तो पुराना है. Okay, who is this? Ansh Patel. Okay, Ansh, very good. Very nicely done, Ansh. Vedanshu, very good. Vedanshu, the spelling of once is O-N-E-S. ये once upon a time वाला once लिखा है आपने. O-N-E-S is the correct one. 0,000, 7, 10, 6, 10,000. ठीक है, बाकी सब ठीक है बेटा. वेदांशु. Vedanshu, correct the spelling of one.
Ma'am, I will done. And send it also.
Okay, beta, just do it quickly. I'm going to rub this now. Enough time I've given to you. Anshraj, I got your answer. Anshraj, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मैं से 0 दे दूंगी अगर मुझे ये मिला ऐसे तो. Anshraj, पूरा लिखो इसे 1/10,000. Write the whole spelling. I will give you 0 if you write like this. What shortcut you are using, beta? Yes, Vedanshu. Now it is correct. Shelly Gupta, draw the lines with a scale. And whenever you write place values, write S in the end. Hundreds, 10,000, 6 ones. Adya, very good. Very nice, neatly done.
Thank you.
Open your cameras, everyone. Quickly. Okay, Taranveer. बेटा तरणवीर सबके आगे एस एस लगाओ. Thousands, hundreds. ऐसे करके करो. Thousands, hundreds. Like this you have to do. Charitra. 400, 10,000, 60,000, 70. Okay, very good, Charitra. Correct. Beta, Charitra, whenever you write 0, no need to write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Only 1 0 is enough. Taranveer, beta, write S in the end. Taranveer, write S in the end. Thousands, hundreds. Okay, now I'm going to just tell you the answers. Please check the answers, everyone, whether your answers are correct or not. Okay. So first answer I'm writing. What will be here? Praveer, tell me. What will be the second answer, beta? Praveer, tell me what will be the second answer?
Ma'am, 10,000.
110,000, not 10,000. It should be
1,000.
110. THOUSANDS, which you are most of you are not writing. Thousands में most of you are not writing it. रिद्धि तुमने भी 1000 में s नहीं लगाया है बेटा. Just correct it. Manya, correct. Manya, which notebook beta you are using for maths? I don't think so. This is your maths notebook beta. रिद्धि अग्रवाल, same problem. Thousands में s नहीं लगाया है. Anshraj, now it is correct. Arsalan, correct. Okay, tell me the next one. Third one. Tell me what will be the third one.
Ma'am, 6-1.
Six
Ma'am,
ones.
6 ones. 6
Yes,
ones.
6 ones. Very good. Okay. Now, Vedanshu, tell me what will be the fourth one. Riddhi, is your name Vedanshu? Is your name Vedanshu that you are telling me this answer? What is your name, Riddhi?
Ma'am, I got disconnected, so can you tell me?
Beta, I'm just telling you the answers. Akshaj, tell me what is the fourth one.
Ma'am, fourth one is 10,000.
6 10,000, not 10,000, 6 10,000s.
Yes, ma'am, 6-10,000.
6 10,000. Don't write 10,000. Okay. Adya, tell me the fifth one.
Ma'am, 7-10.
7 10s. Very good. Okay. Then who else is left? Let me check. Taranveer. Taranveer, tell me this one, sixth one.
0 hundreds.
0 hundreds. Very good. Oh, why is it not writing? 0 hundreds. Everyone check your answers quickly. You should mention 6, 5 like this. Nobody will simply
Remember-
writing.
1,000.
Aradhya, your answers are correct. Beta, Akshad, your answers 0 1 6 ones वाला wrong है, बाकी सब ठीक है. Write 6 ones. Akshad.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now everyone, I'm going to stop sharing this. Now everyone draw the ending line. Leave one line, draw the ending line and start question B, expand the given numbers from the next line. Draw the ending line, leave one line and write question B. Start writing question B. Write question B there. Okay. Now start writing question B, expand the given numbers. So, okay, wait a second. Those who have not done this, take a screenshot of it quickly. Those who have not done this, take a screenshot because I'm going to change it. Now, beta, on the same page itself, write question B, expand the given numbers and start doing this question. Expand the given numbers. Expand means to open up. Like first one, if you can see, it's 20,000, 5,087. There is no zero here. No need to write zero. Zero का अगर आप लिखोगे भी तो भी कोई problem है नहीं है और नहीं भी लिखोगे zero का तो भी it's okay. Both of the times it is all right. Do it quickly. Expanded form. If you face any problem, you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, what we write in place value of 5 in second question?
What?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
what? How many zeros are there in second question of 5?
3. Can't you see 3 zeros are there? 5,000 is there, so 3 zeros will be
Ma'am,
there.
in second question. Ma'am,
You
in
will tell
second
me.
question.
तुम बताओ कितने zeros आएंगे? Why would I tell? You will tell me.
Ma'am, I think 4.
हाँ नहीं 3 zeros. हाँ 4 zeros. Sorry 4 zeros in second one.
Ma'am, I Ansh Patel, I have done. Can I send it?
Yes, you can send it.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay बेटा.
Ma'am, I have done.
So send your answer.
Ma'am, I have.
If you have done, send your answers. Okay, Ansh Patel, I got your answer. Let me check. Very good, Ansh. बेटा अब ये 0 0 0 0 जो लिखते हो ना अंश, you will write only single zero. No need to write so many zeros.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the integral. I have sent in WhatsApp group.
Okay, Anshraj, it is the correct answer. Anshraj, your answer is correct. Taranveer, correct.
Ma'am, I have done.
Riddhi, why are you repeating the things again and again? What is the problem with you, Riddhi? Why you repeat the same thing again and again? I don't know what problem do you have. You always say the same thing again and again. Vedanshu, correct, beta. Very nice. Taranveer, your answers are correct, beta. रिद्धि स्पेलिंग ठीक कर लो अपनी. एक्सपैंड द गिवन नंबर्स. गिवन की स्पेलिंग ठीक करो. एंड ई शुड बी कैपिटल. ओके आराध्या, करेक्ट बेटा. ऑल द आंसर्स आर करेक्ट आराध्या. मान्या, यस वेरी गुड. मान्या, व्हाई आर यू पुटिंग कॉमा लाइक 80,000 कंप्लीट हो गया है, फिर आपने कॉमा क्यों पुट किया बेटा? नो नीड टू पुट कॉमा आफ्टरवर्ड्स. Why are you putting comma again and again, Manya? Do not put the commas. Who is this, Aradhya? What is this, Aradhya? है आराध्या, ये क्या भेज दिया? 1 2 3 4 5 फर्स्ट क्लास में हो गई क्या? आराध्या, you come to, are you back to the first class?
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. By mistake, I sent my brother.
I thought you came back to first class again, and you are studying the maths of first class. Adya, very nicely done, beta. Very good. Adya, you are improving a lot. Expand the given numbers is there, Adya. Adya, it is not give numbers, it is given numbers. Expand the given numbers. Akshaj, very good, correct. All of you have done? Who is still doing? Anybody who is still doing it? Shelly Gupta, I got your answers. Okay, Shelly Gupta, correct. Shelly Gupta, draw the lines with a scale. I really hate that when the lines are not drawn with a scale. Arsalan, मैं तुम्हें ना अब कैसे समझाऊं, मुझे ये बताओ बेटा. मैं कितनी बार बोलूं, आपने ना ऊपर नंबर लिखा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर भी नहीं लिखा है, and where is the previous answer, and what type of arrows you are using, Arsalan? कभी भी क्वेश्चन नंबर नहीं लिखते हो. Who will write question B? हाँ Arsalan? Okay Arjun, very good. Your answers are correct. Chalo, let's start the next question. I'm going to start the next question now. All right. Till this question B, everyone has done or not? Yes or no? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Question B. Chalo, we'll start the next question now. Wait a second. Wait a second. Let me check what we have done in fourth. See, after this, same question we will do. Write in expanded form till we have done here. By the time those who have not done it, just do it and see your mistakes, everyone, those who have done the mistakes. Okay, now we are going to start a new topic, that is successor and predecessor. As we know that what is successor and what is predecessor. ठीक है, exercise 1.5 we are going to start. Wait a second. इसमें अच्छा नहीं बेटा, अभी little bit more is left. Wait a second. Let me see. Question C we will do. No, not this one. Wait a minute, beta. Right numbers. ये आपका नहीं है. This is not of your class. Write in short form. Yes. Quickly, everyone, open your again maths pair notebook. Same page you can continue. This is the next question. Write in short form. Wait a minute. Wait a second, beta. अभी मैं check कर लूँ और कहीं तो नहीं है write in short form. Just give me a second. ठीक है. Start doing these questions. Same page. Maths pair notebook. Same page. Write in short form, and again it is expanded form as it is given in your book. ये आपकी बुक में दे रखा है write in expanded form. First one, see how to do 82,695. Like this, you have to do this one. अच्छा बेटा अगर इसमें जीरो नहीं होगा, still you have to write it. 50,303.
Ma'am, what were the questions of write in short form question sheet?
Write in short form. बेटा दे तो रखे हैं ये question, दिख नहीं रहा है? Are you able to see the page? Wait a second. मैं अभी दिखाती हूँ. Wait. Again, I'm showing you. I'm again showing my screen to you. Now is it visible? Let me tell you. Now is it visible? Akshaj? Write in
Yes,
short
ma'am.
form 80,000 plus 200, 2,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 5. So answer will be
Yes, ma'am.
82,695. Okay, start doing this.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Send it to me. इतनी जल्दी हो गया? Question C and D both.
Ma'am, we have question D also.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right. Send the answer to me. अंश पटेल पहले प्रेजेंट लिख लो, ठीक है? वर्क मत करना, ठीक है अंश पटेल?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Send the answer to me. Ansh Patel. Okay. Do the next also question D also, Ansh. Write in expanded form, not expand form. Ansh, do the next one also. Very good, Taranveer. Very good. Very nicely done, Taranveer. All the answers are correct. Beta, those who have not done it, take a screenshot so that you can do it afterwards. It is going to be over, otherwise question will be left out. Okay, let me WhatsApp you this question. Let me WhatsApp you this question. This question. Your class is 4th A, right? First meeting over now. How are you going to share it?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, today is my birthday.
Whose birthday is there today?
Ma'am, Unsha.
Who?
Ma'am, Unsha.
Unsha birthday is
Ma'am,
there. Unsha वैसे नहीं बोलती, आज उनशा का birthday तो she is speaking. Otherwise she never speak in class. Happy birthday Unsha. And I want you to speak during the classes like you speaking here. Okay Unsha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me just share this picture with you all. Documents by documents class 4th book. I'm sharing this question to you. Okay, question is 1.5 C and D.
Ma'am, I have done question C and